let's talk about money, specifically the money that you'll be making with Exitus Elite. Now, in this video, I want to talk about the Exitus Elite compensation plan for 2026. You know, there's actually 3 ways to get paid, and I'll explain that to you in a little bit. I'm also going to log into my members area and show you exactly what you will be getting with this proven automated system that allows you to make from $100 to $2,000 per sale paid directly to you instantly from the comfort of your own home or wherever you want to work. And if you stay with me till the end of this video, I have some special things lined up, okay, very valuable things that are going to help you make even more sales when you partner with me in Exitus Elite, and you don't want to miss that. That's going to be at the end of this video, okay? Let's get started with the Exitus Elite compensation plan for 2026. Let me show you something most people miss about the Exitus Elite compensation plan. There are 3 simple ways you get paid. No complicated charts, no complicated matrices, no confusing levels, just direct sales, overrides, and upgrades. And the best part, you keep 100% of the commissions. We're talking about $100, $250, $500, $1,000, and even $2,000 per sale paid instantly and directly to you. Let me break this down. Way number 1 is direct sales. This is the easiest way to earn. You simply sell one of the product levels inside the Genesis Digital Education Library, and you keep 100% of the commissions up to your level. Example, let's say you're at the G1000 level. Someone buys the $1,000 product. You earn $1,000. Very simple. Now, let's say someone buys the $2,000 product from you. Well, you are still earning $1,000 because that's the product level that you're at, and the remaining $1,000 passes up to your sponsor. So every sale at or below your level pays the full commission. No company cut, just you getting paid. Way number 2, override commissions. This is where things get interesting. You can actually earn when people who join you sell higher packages than they own. For example, let's say someone you sponsor is at the G100 level. They sell the G2000 product, which is $2,000. Here's what happens. They keep $100. You earn $1,900. Yes, $1,900 from one sale. And this is how your income grows as your team grows. Way number 3, upgrade commissions. And this is super powerful. When someone you sponsor upgrades their membership, you earn the difference. For example, a member upgrades from G500 to G1000, and that's a $500 difference. You earn $500. Their progress becomes your income. You also choose how you get paid. Options include Zelle, Cash App, Venmo, PayPal, crypto, bank transfer, Stripe, and Square. And here's something a lot of people love. You never have to speak to anybody. Now, very few people will ever just purchase these like right from the get-go, right? They want to speak to someone first. And that is where the optional call center comes in, all right? This is awesome. Exitus Elite has a professional sales team that can handle all that. They answer the questions, the objections, they present the offer, and they close the sale for you. And again, this is optional. What's really cool about it, and I'll show you in a little bit, you can turn this option on and off. You focus on one thing, sending traffic. They handle the selling. Now, there's a 20% service fee if you choose to use this option, but if you're selling $2,000 products, 20% is nothing. I'll do that all day. Or, of course, you can close the sale yourself and keep everything. It's your choice. Now, as I mentioned in the intro, I want to show you exactly what you're going to get with this complete automated system, Exitus Elite. And this really is truly a business in a box. And I know that's kind of cliche. As a matter of fact, now that I hear myself say that, yeah, that's pretty cliche, but it's true. This is all you need to have success online and to start making affiliate commissions from the comfort of your home, okay? So I'm going to log in right here, and everyone gets a members area like this. And I also want to give a shout out to Paul Stevenson. This is all brand new, guys. Brand new, high tech. In fact, this is the best looking members area capture pages that I've really ever seen online. Let's log in right now. As you can see, my total verified earnings with Exitus Elite is $426,100. All right, here's the deal. These results are not typical. These are my results, and in no way do I guarantee or even imply that you will get these results, if any at all. All right, I have been with Exitus Elite since the very beginning, over 10 years ago. That's $42,610 per year, which is okay, right? Nothing to sneeze at. However, I'm a very big believer in multiple streams of income, and I have several. As a matter of fact, I have a residual income stream called 98 Limited, where a person joins you and they pay you $98 per month every single month. So if you got 5 people join, 10, I've had it at one time over 100 people pay me $98 every single month, okay? Again, that's called 98 Limited. I have all kinds of videos here about 98 Limited on my channel. And I am going to be doing an updated video on 98 Limited. So make sure you subscribe to my channel. You're going to get emailed every time I upload a video. Yeah, I was talking about multiple streams of income. But here's the deal. If you are brand new, just starting out, do not do that. Concentrate on one system. And when you get really good at generating leads and all that, everything that's involved with this, then you can start adding another income stream. Okay, that's very important. And Exitus Elite is super beginner friendly. And it is, right now, in my opinion, the best member-to-member instant pay program out there by far. All right, so let's go over exactly what you're going to get with this automated system. Okay, now there's all kinds of things in the back office, the products. I'm not going to get into the products right now because I'm going to do a whole video about the products very soon. Okay, let's scroll down here to marketing, because this is what it's all about right here. So we're going to click on marketing. Let's check out the lead capture pages, because we have some beautiful brand new ones. Absolutely beautiful. Now, if you're brand new and you don't know what a lead capture page is or what it does, well, let's just, for the heck of it, click on this one right here. This is beautiful. I'm kind of partial to this one. I live in Naples, Florida, not too far from the beach, and that's exactly what it looks like. However, I do not bring my computer to the beach. I don't do that. Anyway, this is a lead capture page. A prospect is going to put their information in there, first name, email address, optional phone number, and then they're going to be redirected to your VSL. So what does that stand for? A video sales letter. Okay, and here's ours right here. And click on preview. They click this, and this is an excellent explainer video. Okay, let me stop that so YouTube doesn't get crazy. Yeah, so this is a very good explainer video. Explains everything in a little over 4 minutes. Right here, a person watches this, and then they're going to click this Learn More, which will go right to your replicated website. And this is beautiful. I've never seen a website as beautiful as this one right here. It talks about the products. Here, I don't want to go through all that. Compensation plan, the sales team, how that works. And then when a person wants to join, all they have to do is click on Join Now, and this is your checkout page. Okay? Now, I forgot to tell you, as soon as they opt in, right, they're automatically going to get a series of emails, all right, that's going to remind them every other day about Exitus Elite, and it's going to have your replicated website link embedded in every single email, okay? Because a person, an average person, needs 6 or 7 exposures to Exitus Elite before they make a decision and join. So these are fantastic. Reminds them every other day. I think the one goes out every other day. Reminds them all about Exitus Elite, the benefits, and then they can either join or they can click and call the sales team. And I want to just jump over to that right now. Now here's where you can activate the Exitus Elite sales team. Right here, there's a little green button that will turn it on and off. Okay, you can activate it and deactivate. So what happens when you activate it, the 800 number appears on your replicated site. When you deactivate it, obviously, it's going to be removed from your site, and then just your information will appear. Okay? Now, I have that, my information. Again, I've been with Exitus Elite a long time, and I close my own sales. All right, but you're brand new. You hate to talk to people on the phone. I get it. I was that way a long time ago. Man, I hated talking on the phone. As a matter of fact, I had a hard time doing these videos. If you go back and watch my old videos years ago of Exitus Elite, it's pretty funny, actually. All right, so that's what you get here with Exitus Elite. Again, you'll get everything to have success online, making these $100 all the way up to $2,000 instant commissions. Now, let's talk about traffic. Okay, let's talk about leads, because we have a whole area right here that I will not click because of the fact that I don't want people to see our vendors. Okay, so these are completely hands-free. You can order your leads. We have all kinds of ways to get leads. Now, speaking of traffic and leads, let's talk about my bonuses right now. Here's how my paid traffic rotator works. When you join me in Exitus Elite at the G1000 or G2000 level, you're going to get top tier 1 traffic absolutely free on me. I want to help jumpstart your new business right off the bat, hit the ground running. So I created a paid traffic rotator using one of my very favorite solo ad vendors, Alessandro Sierra. And he owns Elite Solo Ads, and I've been using Alessandro's traffic for over 4 years with great success. He's helped me get quality leads and sales to my Exitus Elite business and my other online income streams as well. His traffic has helped me achieve 5-figure months and has put me on the leaderboards for many of those programs. So I'll be purchasing literally thousands of clicks per month and sending these clicks directly to my paid team traffic rotator for you for a period of 90 days. And I want to clarify something because I heard something online regarding my rotator. All right, this is not free traffic, okay? This is not a rotator hooked up to my YouTube channel and getting free traffic. It's not that at all, okay? This is traffic that I actually pay for out of my own pocket, all right? But I use a rotator to spread it evenly to my team members that join me at the G1000 or G2000 level, okay? Again, I pay for this traffic right out of my own pocket. I use this exact same traffic. I get a special deal, of course, from Alessandro because I've been using him for years. So I purchase thousands and thousands of clicks per month for you. And I was also asked about how many clicks is this, okay, this traffic per 90 days. All right. And I would say if you were to go out and purchase a 1,000 click solo ad, that's what this would be. This is a fantastic deal. You know, again, putting my money where my mouth is to help out people who put their trust in me. Okay. That's exactly what it is. I'm really not getting a whole lot out of it. And to be honest with you, I don't know how long this is going to last. Okay. I just want to help you make sales right off the bat. I will also provide you with a special link to view your stats of this traffic. You'll see the number of clicks you're getting and exactly where these clicks are coming from. Okay, so this is full transparency here. All right? Another valuable bonus that you're going to get is my office hours support. So every Tuesday and Thursday at 1 p.m., to 8 p.m. Eastern Time, I open up my Zoom room for help with anything, okay? I can help you set your system up, any kind of questions, guidance, and on-the-spot training and support. And what I do between those hours, we can set up a time that works best for you. That's why I went a little later at 8 o'clock, just in case people work and all that. So that is every Tuesday and Thursday at 1 p.m. to 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And it's very important that you align yourself with a mentor that has a proven track record in their own business. And obviously I do with Exitus Elite, because as a top earner in Exitus Elite, top sponsor, I have literally helped thousands of people make money online for the very first time over the past 10 years of using this incredible platform, Exitus Elite. I absolutely love it, and I will continue to promote it for as long as possible. And I just added more bonuses to help you succeed in Exitus Elite. I've got an exclusive team training site, exclusive team banner ads with resources, a team welcome email that you can share with others on your team with access to all these bonuses. We've got 5 free websites to advertise daily, 200 pre-written ads for classified ad sites, and free ad submission software to post your ads on autopilot. Okay, and I'll be adding a couple more bonuses in the near future. All right, so that's the Exitus Elite compensation plan for 2026. Really easy, very simple. 3 ways to get paid: direct sales, override commissions, and upgrade commissions. Very simple, no qualifying sales or anything like that. Just real 100% commissions from $100 all the way up to $2,000 paid directly to you. So if you want to see how this whole system works and check out my bonuses, look at the link in the description of this video. All you have to do is click that link and I will walk you through the entire thing. All right? Thanks for watching.